Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a soul like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found, was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to sing, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. The Lord has promised good to me, His word my hope secures. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already gone. This grace has brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. And when this flesh and heart shall fail, and mortal life shall cease, I shall possess within the veil a life of joy and peace. And we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun. We've known as days to sing God's praise, then when we first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a soul like me. His light within forever shines and brings us safely home. His light within forever shines and brings us safely ever shines and brings us safely